This is an initiative, a starting initiative that will create awareness among Filipino people and the need for them to support initiative against corruption. I remember on this day the Cartilla of the Katipunan, which states under Article 8 to defend the oppressed people and to fight against the oppressor. So the fight against corruption is like that of the call of the Cartilla, that we have to fight against the oppressor, we have to fight against the corrupt, and the people's support is necessary for that initiative. So we will just continue this initiative. We will invite trade unions, civil society group, religious organization, and also the church to unite the people of the Philippines against the corrupt practices of senators, congressmen or members of the House, and other high government officials. So one of the proposal of the trade union is to strengthen the independent commission against independent commission on infrastructure projects, because at present trillions of pesos are lost to ghost projects and substandard materials being used for these projects. So that one, ICI strengthening. Two is to support the investigation of the ICI, the present ICI, and the Ombudsman to get the big fishes that would include the senators and members of the House of the Representatives. And if evidence will point to the office of the President or Vice President, I hope that the Ombudsman will continue and it has the support of our people. So return, forfeiture of properties is another initiative. So return, ibalik ang ninakaw sa bayan. And other than that, prosecute at ikulong siyempre yung mga magnanakaw. Maliit man o malaki, presidente man o senador o congressman ay dapat itutuloy at suportahan dapat ng bayan.